Okay, so I want to show you a smoothie that I make. I make it almost every day. This is a little different, but not really. The only thing I'm missing is the frozen banana. So what I have is just a little bit of water, some frozen blueberries already, and I'm going to put in some olive oil or flax oil or hemp seed oil. Put that in. I'm going to put in a shot of chlorophyll, so the blood of the plants. Makes it very green. I'm going to add some resveratrol, which is the grape skin of red grapes. It's really good for an estrogen blocker, and it can identify what the fake estrogens are in your body and eliminate those from your system. So these are very, very good to have. That's resveratrol, grape skin. Next I've got maca. Maca is part of the turnip family. This is the root. It's known as an adaptogen. It's really good for hormones and for post-op workouts. Also for workouts in the morning as well. Your pre-workouts and your post-workouts. There's no operatives involved in this. Okay, I've got amino acids. So this is the most broken down form of protein you can get. All you need is one small scoop, like so. And that's going to give you a full load of all of the essential amino acids that you need. Very important, and you're not messing around with different flavors and stuff either. However, this time around, speaking of flavors, I've got this vanilla protein shake from Vega. I like Vega. I will proudly put my name behind this. I'm going to use this in the smoothie, just add a little bit of a vanilla flavor. And I'm not even going to put all of it in, just half of it, because this can be fairly nutrient dense. I'm going to add some pine pollen. Pine pollen is another adaptogen. It's considered a superfood, so it has all the protein that you need as well. It's very alkaline, very energizing, but yet it won't keep you up at nighttime either. And finally, I've got a capsule of magnesium. And magnesium is a muscle relaxant. It's good for every cell in your body. And I think they're great. Decreases muscle cramping too. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to blend this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. And then from here we got a nice liquid smoothie. To your health, and I'll talk to you soon.